Hey guys, join me. Let's cook ofe onugbo. Igbo bitter leaf soup. I no be Igbo. So now my meat, no be my meat. Oh, cow meat, beef, and pomo. I put salt. Just slice onions put. And the food to the sweet. Now they chop like this. So just slice onions put. I put that for fire. I don't they boil. Now I go put this mushroom. When my mama buy wait for me. I like this mushroom. I quick put a joy me because no they quit they don't. So Mona no I bet Mona forgive my voice no what they do. I mean a voice over. This soup too sweet me. So now for here don't boil, don't soft. Never done well oh. You're like 50% done. Don't put my okporoko. The okporoko they put so. I put my okporoko finish. Curry over, no boil. But yeah, I put my fresh fish. I don't use dry fish now, fresh fish now I use. My hair catfish. This yam 1 pound. I know I suppose use cocoyam for the soup, but I know say cocoyam, but I can't use yam like that. I pound yam put. But here I don't put oil. I can add another small Maggi cube joiner. I want to come out the fish so that you know go scatter. Last even though it's still scatter. So I already remove them. So that I go fit put other things. This food sweet. Bah! I don't see the egg of fish. Now they chop like this. I hear the mushroom. They make crying. It's crunching. I don't know the color crunching. Just put the yam. I want to thicken the soup. I want to cook yam bang. Now I use yam. For my village, they use yam the thicken soup. If you got it, they use. For now, God tell me say don't use yam, don't use this one. No, cause I mean I started the soup sweet. But yeah, now I don't come off for gas. I don't switch it to a pot. Cause gas all the cost. We don't get money to fill gas. The yam don't they melt and call for gas. I never put pepper and crayfish on a pound. Eat ugba, locust beans. The satan so. So not turn now. I put my bitter leaf. I know be Igbo. I slice my bitter leaf. Pepper so cut me say this one knock down and that one knock the second one. I know be Igbo. I be a sako. Confirm a sako babe now. This soup too sweet. Try. For real. I shut down. To find the bitter leaf food. Cut on my fish food. Give me my fish. Got the catfish food. Got on now. Don't do. Try it. You chop.